Hello, Black Panther fans. And today's my birthday, January 28th. I'm 16. And today we are doing an unboxing vid. And you guys want to know what I'm unboxing today? Yeah, it's gonna blow your minds. Yeah, this is the head that comes with the Apple Watch. And this is the charger. And I'm gonna see what this is. This is the wrist. Well, for the wrist. And so is this, I assume. And this as well. Yeah, today I am so thankful for my stepdad for sending in the money for this Apple Watch, and my mom taking me to the store today and getting this Apple Watch. It was so much money. These Apple Watches are not for free. They were so much money. And I had the best birthday a 16-year-old kid could ask for. So thank you, support this video, subscribe to it, add a comment, and oh yeah, and by the way, stay tuned for the next Shafi episode, which premieres next month. And have a good rest of the day, guys, and see you in the next video.